Gourd here with a new survival video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to harvest potatoes. So about 4 months ago we planted these potatoes here, and they've been growing very good since. And right now it's about time to harvest them since we planted them early, and normally you're supposed to harvest them in around September. So let's go and let's harvest the potatoes. So we will start with this plant over here, and here's a nail. So what we're going to do is just dig around the plant. Here. Now I'm just going to go through this to see if I got any potatoes. Alright, here's the first potato that we got. It's nice, fits in my hand, but well, that's about close to as big as they're gonna get. So, oh, here's other ones. Wow, little baby potatoes. Alright, so come closer and I'll show you how the plant goes. So it just keeps going down, and here's another potato.
It's
small
weird
one,
shape.
spring potato. Yeah. Don't expect your potatoes to grow perfect, since they'll grow in all kinds of shapes. Alright, so let's just go out, pull this out. Another little baby potato.
Oh, there's a potato you dropped over there.
Oh yeah. Alright. 2 more potatoes. That's the ones for that plant. I don't know what that is, but I'll keep digging through. Traditionally, well, not traditionally, this was how they would do it a long time ago. This is a digging stick, and they would just use that like a normal shovel just to dig around. And I feel there might be some potatoes around here. Let's just dig out in the walls too to make sure. Yeah, because see, here is some roots. So that means there's probably a potato over here. Or use the digging stick to break the wall. I'll pull the potato bush out. Show you how it is. Oh, little potatoes, tiny potato. All right. So this is how the potato bush will look. Grows really long. Let's check on this one. Little baby rotten potato. Here's some more. Now what I'll do is pull out their other ones, and let's move on to the next plant. Alright, so now I'm going to be using this shovel. As I showed you before, we're just gonna dig around. Yeah, Argo barking. Oh, this is our root from the tree. Alright, so now let's just go and let's keep digging. Here's a potato. Weird shaped and pretty small. Here's another one. This one is longer. Also depends on the ground that you have. Here's more potatoes. So with the the variety that I was growing, they grow pretty close together. Alright.
Oh, you missed one right there.
Oh yeah, you're right. Here's a small potato. Small potatoes on the end of this. Okay. Just throw the bush to the side. Yeah, you gotta dig and you'll find the potatoes, like little potatoes. Here's just the ones that we harvested right here. I'll keep digging for more potatoes because you might miss some. The digging. growing them in mounds makes them easier to harvest. I'll just keep digging it. Oh, look at this little worm over here. I don't know if it's little. That's a good worms are probably one of the best baits, or not the best bait that you can use for fishing. A little fat worm.
Are you gonna pick it up?
Little fat worm.
Ew.
Go put it back in the ground because worms are good for the soil. It's not a worm isn't disgusting at all.
I don't like worms.
Well, I don't think they're disgusting, and they don't feel slimy at all. All right, so now here's a nice big one. Put it in the pile.
That's the biggest one we've found.
Oh, here's another one. Smaller ones. As these grow pretty close to the surface. Here are these. All right, I'll keep digging it. Now, oh, here's a baby potato, little one. The worms there's a lot of them in the soil here. Here's this potato. The potato plant of this kind, it grows not deep but spreads out. Alright. Oh, here's the little potatoes here. Oh no, that one broke in half. One of them, it didn't break in half, but the top snapped off. That's okay. Oh, there's a little long worm here.
That's weird.
But everything comes in different shapes and sizes. So, let's keep digging through this way.
Oh, I just saw a worm.
Yeah, there's a lot of worms in the soil over here. And that's a good, worms are good for the soil. Now I'll just take this.
The bugs are eating me alive.
Yeah. They're not, I'm not even noticing bugs biting me. Alright. Here's one more potato. Here's some more potatoes, see? Here's a small potato. Here are the. I'm gonna take you for the small, tiny potatoes.
Ooh.
Yeah, here's a potato. Little potatoes. There's a worm. Alright, so now here's the potatoes. And let's go put them in the pile of potatoes that we have, which is this much.
Are you harvesting all your potatoes?
Yes. So, some potatoes you don't need to let them grow for 4 months. Some of them take about 2 months. Or, yeah, around 2 months. 4 months. Oh, here's I found a big worm over here. Look how long this grass grew. Now the potato plants that I grew, if the ones with potatoes, the small ones on them, we could probably let still in the ground. Look how long these grow.
Whoa.
This is a weed growing over there. I didn't notice it. Just make sure. Here, little potato. Broke off the roots of the bigger plant. This is a piece of wood. No potato there. Oh no, that plant snapped. Yeah, because these are becoming old, they're snapping. Pulled it off. Which works if your ground is loose, but if your ground isn't, it won't work. This one still has all these potatoes on it. But if I would let it grow any longer, the plants would probably die and the good potatoes ready to harvest would rot. So let's just throw it over there. Aha. Oh, these are nice big potatoes. Well, one of them is. Alright, now let's go look at the potatoes we have harvested. That much. Here's another one. You wanna, after look around in your soil, then you do, to see if you find any more potatoes. So just use the digging stick to.
I should have put on bug spray.
Yeah, bug spray. I don't use bug spray. One tip that you should know if you're going out is smoke from the fire keeps the bugs away. The
I thought it keep mosquitoes.
Yeah. All right, now that we harvested 4 plants, look at this. Some actually growing over here. I'm gonna pull it out since it's a weed.
What about the other one? No, this one.
It is dead. Alright, now I just want to make sure to see where that is. Oh, that was bad. Alright, now I'm just gonna dig all the grass out here. In my garden, I originally planted red potatoes over here, but they didn't grow. So instead, I planted russet potatoes. Move the dill I have growing here out of the way, and I'll harvest it from this side. All right, so gonna go get it in and just bring it up. Now I'll just go through. This is a rock or a piece of wood. Nothing there. Here, I just pulled it out.
No big ones on there.
Yeah, no big ones on this. Pieces of charcoal. Here.
A worm. Right there.
Yeah, the worms in this area are big. A lot of small potatoes. Just want to make sure I got it. This is the biggest one I got from that plant. I should let those be in the ground longer.
Ooh, you must throw some dirt on me.
Oh. Even though these have still been as long as the other ones. They might be in here. Here, let's just use it. So here's a worm on them.
Our neighbors just made a sound that sounded like a human bird mutant.
Alright, so I think I should grab it and just kind of pull it out.
It sounded like
Wow.
some of the
Gourd.
potatoes.
Oh no.
They
Look how long this is. There, that. Alright, now come here. And let's go get the big potato, the largest ones from this.
I think some of the potatoes got ripped off while you pulled it out.
I'm gonna go look back in there.
I heard.
Yeah. I got 2 biggest ones that stayed on. Let's now just go look through here. Since I am kind of, oh, here's a worm.
You can barely see it on camera.
Yeah.
Like when you showed us the front looked like dirt. Now you can see it. The front of it looked like dirt.
He uses the same tactics as the opossum. He hides.
Who?
That worm. He doesn't move. Oh, here, another potato. Wow, look how long these vines grow. Well, not the vines, the potato plant grew. I'll step here. It grows about to my neck.
Almost your head.
Yeah. Now, since I probably missed some potatoes here, let's keep going through. Dirt. I don't know what that is, but this isn't a potato, it's a rock. Here, so I'm just going to be going through and around using my hand to dig. I'm going to just...
Is there any plants left, or that's all potatoes?
Well, there's probably a lot of potatoes left in here, so...
Yeah, but plants.
Well, yeah. No, the plants here. Oh, wow. The gourd's really good. These potato plants grow really long. Up here. Potatoes. I gotta go plant this back in the ground. Let it grow bigger, which I probably should do.
Let some of them grow back in the ground.
Okay. Yeah. Aha. A potato. Okay, so they grow out pretty far. Probably under some of the bricks that I have at the lining of my garden. It's a little potato. Into the pile of potatoes.
The pile's big.
Yeah. Alright. I'll keep going. Little potatoes are out here.
What is that?
Potato skin for fertilizer. Or carrot, I don't know what that is.
Looks like peach.
Okay.
A peach that someone sat on.
Potato, no, this is a rock.
Lots of things look like potatoes here, but they're covered in dirt, so they're actually...
The fun part about
dirt and
harvesting
rocks.
potatoes is seeing what you get. Look at this other worm, this worm over here. I couldn't get him out, but he's right here.
Oh, I see him.
That's a big one. That'd be... Yeah, right there.
You can pull him out, or he's trying to get back in the ground.
Yeah. No, just
but
make sure.
He's freaking out.
There, he's better. Put that aside, and let's just go through more. There's little worms here, probably got cut in half. All right. Okay, let's keep going through. Worm is over there. Let's use the big shovel
to slice the worm in half. Legend says that if you slice the magnificent worm in half, it becomes two.
Yes, it does. Yeah. It's like roots from some kind of... Yeah. Alright. Alright. So, like and subscribe for more. Well, first, let's go. The potato. Here's the potatoes that we harvested. Little, mostly, so they're some of the biggest ones. I think this one's about the biggest. Alright. Now are you gonna have stuff to eat? Potatoes are calorie dense, so that's good. It's good food, since you could you don't need that much space to get a lot of food with the potatoes, unlike some of the other plants. Alright, so like and subscribe for more. Alright, bye.